Hello guys, welcome to another edition of this do-it-yourselfer channel. Today I'll be changing the window switch on this Ford F-150. It's just not working, and I'm gonna try to see if by replacing the switch it'll make it work. So I ordered a switch online, and it was pretty cheap, so I'm gonna start by popping out this thing. It's real easy, and the whole thing comes out. So we got the switch for the lock is doing good, and we have the switch for the window. Okay, and the very first thing we gotta make sure is just to see if the connections or the housing is the same in which it is. Okay, all right, apparently it is. It looks like it. So I'm gonna go ahead and proceed by removing this. Okay, so I want you to take a look at this piece right here in the middle. You push this in and the wiring comes out. Now it's just a matter of removing the whole switch. Okay, so the way I'm gonna do it is, I don't know if you see these little pins on both sides, so I'm just gonna put a little bit of pressure on one side, and this one, it pops out, and I'm gonna do the same thing on this one, and bingo, that's it. This is how easy it came out. So now I'm gonna make sure that I want to put the switch on the the same way, which is this, and I'm gonna pop it in. Okay, all you have to do is push it in until you hear the knock or the connection. That's it. Then we're gonna plug it back in, and pretty much, believe it or not, that's it. This is how simple it is to replace one of those switches. So we're gonna put it back in the same way it came out, and bingo, we got a switch. And all we have to do is just make sure that it works, and we'll figure it out. And the window works beautiful. Yeah, up and down. Alright guys, this is it. This is how simple it is. And you save a couple $100 there if you take it to a mechanic. If you like this video, just please bring the thumb up. Turn on that bell so that way you can get notifications of my new videos I'm going to be posting. And see you on the next